How to watch football match live on an iPhone, Android, or on a computer, it doesn't matter. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you're on your browser. It could be Google Chrome, Safari, or if you're on a PC, just go on any browser such as Edge, Opera, it doesn't matter. Then once you open your browser, you're gonna have to search up Sky Sports. Then once you search up Sky Sports, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the first option right here. Once you do that, this should pop up. Just click on accept all. And now from here, you're gonna have to click on the second option right here where it says sports. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on football, which is the first option. Now, if you want to watch it live, as you guys can see right here, you have a lot of games that's coming up. So these are the live games you could watch actually. So if you just click on one, for example, what you need to do to watch this is you're gonna need to Sky Sports membership. So you're just gonna have to click on get a now sports membership. Then it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, as you guys can see, this is $14 a month. So you just click on that. And if you spend the money, you're gonna get the Sky membership and you could watch it live and do everything you want. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.